Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is PM Fasal Bima Yojana extended. First, let us see why is it in the news. The Union Cabinet recently approved the extension of the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and restructured weather-based crop insurance scheme until 2025-26 with a total outlay of rupees 69,515.71 crore. Let's talk about Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched in 2016 and is being administered by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. It replaced the National Agricultural Insurance Scheme and the Modified National Agricultural Insurance Scheme. Farmers, including sharecroppers and tenant farmers, growing notified crops in the notified areas are eligible for coverage. In terms of policies issued, PMFBY is the country's largest insurance scheme and third largest in terms of total premiums. About 23 states and union territories are implementing it. PMFBY covers crop losses based on yield risk, while restructured weather-based crop insurance scheme focuses on weather-related risks. Comprehensive risk insurance is provided to cover yield losses due to non-preventable risks such as natural fire and lightning, storms, hailstorms, cyclones, typhoons, tempests, hurricanes, tornadoes, etc., flood, inundation and landslide, drought, dry spells, pests or diseases, etc. Let's now discuss objectives of PMFBY. PMFBY aims at supporting sustainable production in the agriculture sector by way of providing financial support to farmers suffering crop loss or damage arising out of unforeseen events, stabilizing the income of farmers to ensure their continuance in farming, encouraging farmers to adopt innovative and modern agricultural practices, and ensuring flow of credit to the agriculture sector. Let's look into the other key decisions of Cabinet meeting. A fund for innovation and technology with rupees 824.77 crore was created to enhance yield estimation and weather data systems. It will help in the use of technology for faster assessment of crop damage, claim settlement and lesser disputes. It will also help in using digital technologies for easier enrollment and greater coverage. The Agriculture Ministry said the fund will be utilized towards funding technological initiatives under the scheme, namely Yes Tech, WINS, etc., as well as research and development studies. Yield estimation system using technology, that is Yes Tech, uses remote sensing technology for yield estimation with a minimum 30% weightage to technology-based yield estimates. Under Yes Tech, claim calculation and settlement have been done for 2023-24. Madhya Pradesh has adopted 100% technology-based yield estimation. Weather information and network data systems envisages setting up automatic weather stations at the block level and automatic rain gauges at the panchayat level. Under WINS, a 5 times increase in current network density is envisaged to develop hyper-local weather data. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about PM Fasal Bima Yojana. 1. PM Fasal Bima Yojana was launched in 2018. 2. PMFBY covers crop losses based on yield risk, while restructured weather-based crop insurance scheme focuses on weather-related risks. Which of these statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.